Yay! We're finally going to Munyaka. This is Waterfall City. Okay, we're at the gate. You see deliveries, residents, visitors. Security system is really strict. It's the gate. There's a door. Double securities. That's not it. You go through this gate. There is another gate. Security is so strict. Do you see the gate? You have to go through. Then finally you can go into the Munyaka building. So this is Munyaka 5th floor penthouse. Going in straight to the elevator to the. Oh wow!
That's a living room.
Is this is a penthouse?
This is the penthouse. And
Wow.
that's the view.
Okay.
It'll change. So the bar. That's where I was standing right there. Where you were interviewed and you were shaking your head.
Oh yeah, I remember here. Look at this. That's amazing. Is this real? Yes, it is real. Wow.
Floats. They had two floats that were out there in the water. The kids could like swim to, get out there and just bounce around.
Oh.
But that's the other penthouse.
Yeah, I remember over there the canoe part.
Yeah.
You were there,
Yeah.
and then you were making video. Yes, I remember.
So, hi Oogie. Hi Sanguk. Hey Dayan. Hey
It
John.
is
Hey Jikai.
weird.
So hot tubs here, bar, outside sports bar.
Yeah, I remember everything in your video.
Yeah. Come on, Pop. They actually have a conference room in here. Conference room. This is kind of like a kitchen area.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a real
This is the one.
scullery,
Woo.
electric, pantry.
I remember here you you
Yeah.
said hi to the. Oh,
The lady was back here.
yeah.
So this is the side where you'll be parking if you live over there.
Then you can walk to the lagoon.
Yeah, the spa and manicure pedicure spa. Let's go look at the bedrooms.
Yeah, the gym was huge, and then oh my god.
Yeah, so this is what, about $3 million US dollars. Conference room
Look at the chair. Oh
for
my god, is
Day
that?
Young. Here's your conference room.
Look at the chair, please. It is.
Look at the view.
Hi, uncle. Oh, I remember this
We spend
too.
about a good 45 minutes or an hour here. And then we come into like the living area, space, bedroom. First bedroom.
Is that the master bedroom?
No. master bedroom's back there.
Closet. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more
I
there.
didn't want us to know about this.
It is more. Oh, it's a beautiful. First one? That was the first one? That's another bed.
That's 3.
Okay, we're looking at this
Are you
one.
doing video?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's a fine. The closet is a
bathroom.
little small one. Yeah.
For the throne room.
Okay.
So this is bedroom number 3.
Bedroom number 3.
Let's go to 4.
No, actually this is 2. Second one, this is 3.
This is bedroom number 4.
Is it?
4.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go in here. So this is the toilet area. Okay. Okay, let's move on to
Closet.
yes. Let's move on to other room. I love it. I love it.
Alright, that was bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 4.
4th. Okay, bedroom number 4. So similar layout. Is it full furnished?
You can buy it furnished. Everything here you can buy furnished or
Shower. No
furnished.
bathtub. Oh, that's a big balcony. I think it's connected to other bedroom too. Next bedroom. Yes, 4th. So each bedroom has connected that.
On this side, yes. But down there, you can see where they're actually breaking ground to build more homes. All the way down there, like right about there,
Oh yeah, I see.
they're building, breaking ground to build more homes.
Okay.
This is 4.
Yep.
That would be number 5.
Okay.
What if you don't? What if you fly?
Mm-hmm.
Don't think about what comes after or what came before.
That's gonna be the master. Okay, 5. Same layout.
Its own bathroom.
Oh my god.
Access to the deck, the patio.
Mm-hmm. So we were out right next to.
And you might think,
Master bedroom.
I can't wait. Yeah.
Master bedroom.
Ta-da! Ta-da-da! Master bedroom. Ta-da! Nice. There you go.
at
Fill
this
it up.
machine.
Slowly fill. I can fill it
I'm
up.
not saying that you wouldn't try. I'm saying right now, natural.
Right. Easy, easy. Hello. Can I look around? Thank you.
And jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?